Hey everybody! So in this video, we're going to be working with sum and difference identities with tangent. So it says here that given that sine of angle A is 5/13 and cosine of B is 8/17, find the exact value of tangent of A minus B. So the first thing we're probably going to want to do is to construct triangles that are in the first quadrant here. So I'll go ahead and draw these. And we can call this triangle A and we'll call this triangle B. Now, it says that sine of A is 5/13, where we know that sine is the opposite leg divided by the hypotenuse. So if this is my reference angle, then the opposite leg would be 5, and then my hypotenuse would be 13. I can do the same process with the second triangle. It says cosine of B is 8/17. Well, cosine is the adjacent leg, so that would be here. Let's move this B down. And then my hypotenuse would be 17. So in order to find the missing legs here, so we have a missing leg right here, and we have a missing height right here. In order to find that, we can use Pythagorean's theorem. So we have x squared plus 5 squared equals 13 squared. So 169 minus 25 is 144. And when you take the square root of 144, we get 12. Over here in the second one, we have x squared plus h squared equals 17 squared. So 289 minus 64 is 225, and the square root of 225 is 15. So what we'll do now is, it says tangent of A minus B equals tangent of A minus tangent of B. So here we're going to just plug in our ratios from our triangles. So tangent of A, tangent we know is the opposite over the adjacent. So if I'm looking here at triangle A, and then here's my reference angle, the opposite leg is 5 and the adjacent leg is 12. So tangent of A is the same as 5/12 minus tangent of B. So I'll come over here to B and I'll take tangent. So here's my reference angle. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So this will be 15/8. And then we'll divide this by 1 plus tangent of A. We've already found that. It was 5/12 times tangent of B, which we've already found is 15/8. So to reduce this here, we'll say 5/12 minus 15/8. And that will give us negative 35/24. And this is being divided by 1 plus 5/12. So we'll do this. We'll say 1 plus 5/12 times 15/8. And that's going to give us 57/32. So now we're going to say negative 35/24 divided by 57/32, and that's going to give us negative 140/171. Here you have to remember that A and B are in the first quadrant. This means that everything in quadrant 1 is going to be positive. So while we have negative 140/171, the answer is positive 140/171. All right, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have a question, please be sure to leave it in the comments. And we'll see you all in the next video.